Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a little more details about what we talked about yesterday. A lot of people have questions as to exactly what is different and how does this actually really work. So we talked about the fact that we, of course, before in the setup of Windows or in the advanced option of Windows when it didn't boot, we would have, of course, the possibility to go to a recovery type mode and try to fix things with Windows. So a lot of people are wondering what's different here. I don't get it, or how does it connect to the internet if Windows doesn't work, and so on. So first of all, this screen will appear when you get stuck in a boot loop. For the most part, when Windows gets stuck in a boot loop and it doesn't stop, it will eventually, if not at the first startup, after several boot loops, it will just stop and say, okay, here's options we have available for you. And one of them is to go into the advanced recovery options. Now, this new feature called Quick Machine Recovery, the reason it is different is that it is a autonomous system. You click this option, and this option will hopefully fix your boot loop problem by analyzing what is the problem, what is all the details that the telemetry has put on your hard drive, saying, well, I can't start because of this error message or this problem. So say, for example, you've installed a new driver for a device and you end up with a boot loop because that crashes Windows. You'll end up here, you'll go to Quick Machine Recovery. The way it connects to the internet is simple because Windows at its simplest form will boot in this. So that means that the most basic form of Windows is there. It doesn't connect in any other way. It's still Windows. It's just that it's Windows without all the extra fluff, so that you have a basic, just functional Windows that can connect to Wi-Fi or your Ethernet, and then it will go and send the diagnostics to Microsoft servers. There will be a analysis, and if, for example, it's your driver that's the problem, it will actually roll it back for you. It will remove that driver for you and roll back to the older driver that was on your PC. You have nothing to do. It will be done remotely thanks to this new option. And it will restart. And if, for example, it was your driver, it will be working fine. And so you can see and decide what you do next, or you know that maybe you shouldn't update that driver. So whatever is the problem preventing, if it's a corrupt file, it will actually download or do what is needed to fix that problem. So this is interesting for sure, because this will make it easy to have a working computer without you doing anything, pretty much. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.